You should prepare the following things before you go camping. First, you should always bring clean clothes because it rains a lot when you are camping. Bring extra towels. It helps if they are old and boring so they match your mood. A raincoat is also important to bring, not just a rain poncho, as a lot of them don't offer more protection from the rain and can result in getting very wet when it rains really heavy. A plastic tarp or ground sheet is necessary for making your tent feel like home away from home. These can be bought or rented at sporting goods stores, and some tents also come equipped with them included. Second, when going on a camping trip, it's a good idea to prepare the following items beforehand in order to avoid unnecessary stress. Once your exact destination has been decided, research the correct weather forecast and pack accordingly. Check if there are any weather-related stipulations regarding the chosen destination, like extreme heat or extreme cold, that you should abide by. Check out the CDC's website for more information. Make sure you pack matches, which can quickly be found on camping supply websites like Walmart. Gather all your camping appliances and make sure that they are working properly in advance before leaving. Things like tents, sleeping bags and cookware will take up extra space in your vehicle. When deciding what to bring, think about how much there is available at the campsite so you have less need to lug along extras. Preparation is key when trying to ensure hassle-free excursions. In order to create as little stress as